Welcome back guys to a new video. I'm the Fire Master, and in this video I'm gonna be telling you all the new secret bosses. And you guys know every time I make these secret boss videos, I tell you how I find the boss, but now I just look for the boss in every map. But first you have to come up here from the spawn. And I just thought that this looks like a secret boss would be up here. So I came up here, then I looked to my right, and there's the secret boss. Yeah, right there. I haven't watched this anime, so I don't know what this anime is. And this is the secret boss, is a gun zombie, and this is giant gun zombie, but the normal boss is just has 12 quadrillion HP. So yeah, I'm the Fire Master. Peace, and I'm out.